Easy English Life. Unit 7. My Everyday Life. Eric's Everyday Life. Hello, my name is Eric. I am 13 years old. Today I'm going to talk about my routine. I wake up, brush my teeth, and have a good breakfast. I go to school at 8 a.m. At 3 p.m. I go back to my house. I study, watch TV, take a shower, and then I watch TV again. At 10 p.m. I go to sleep. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When you refer to days of the week, we use on.
Months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. When you refer to months, we use in. Let's learn some new verbs. Sleep, swim, listen to music, eat pizza, work out, play golf, study, work, drink a tea, brush my teeth, wake up, go to school, dance, take a shower, read a book, drive a car, talk on the phone, have lunch, write. Expressions used to refer to daily habits, frequency, and routine. Every day, sometimes, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, on weekends, on weekdays. They go to school in the mornings. Kevin sometimes rides his bike in the afternoon. John plays video games on the weekends. Talking about the simple present. He plays soccer every Tuesday and Thursday. He doesn't play soccer every Tuesday and Thursday. Does he play soccer every Tuesday and Thursday? They watch TV at night. They don't watch TV at night. Do they watch TV at night? Do versus does. We use the auxiliary do and does when I want to talk about the simple present, routine, habits, facts, frequency. Look at the table below so you can understand more how to use it. Here are some more examples. Affirmative. I like to dance. She goes to school every day. They listen to rock music. Negative. I don't like to dance. She doesn't go to school every day. They don't listen to rock music. Interrogative. Do you like to dance? Does she go to school every day? Do they listen to rock music? Learning some more numbers. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.